Quickly add visual interest and depth to your artwork with textures. Open the Layer Options panel and tap the Textures icon to begin. Select from a variety of categories covering a range of uses, like abstract patterns, architectural materials, crosshatching, and more. Then, simply draw or paint into the layer with the selected texture in the desired color. You can also change the overall appearance of a texture based on the drawing tool you use to create it. Shade a textured area with the pencil tool to create a rustic effect. Or, quickly flood an entire area with texture using the Fill tool. When used with clear ink, textures act like a stencil, allowing you to knock back a pattern from existing areas of your sketch. Add character and detail to your drawings with Linea Sketch textures.